Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this video, I'm gonna share with you how to use Exness trading platform. So just follow me and follow the steps. It's so easy and simple. So first of all, go to Exness and log into your account. And let's choose an account. For example, let's say this demo account. Click on trade and click on Exness terminal. And now, as you can see here, this is the Exness terminal, these ones. We have here the instruments. We have some currency pairs, for example, USD CAD, XOUSD, we have Bitcoin, and we have the US 500. This is the S&P, okay? Now, let's say, for example, you want to add another currency pair. All you have to do is click on this plus here, and you can add, for example, Euro USD. Just type it here, Euro USD. This one, for example, click on it and you will see the Euro USD. If you want to change the pair, for example, Ethereum, Bitcoin, or XOUSD, okay, as you can see, I have a position here, so I will close it. Okay, so if you want to close a position, click on here, as you can see, and you will see your details here. Go to closed, and you will see your position here, PNL, plus $313, okay? If you lose money, you will see here minus, for example, $300, and the color will be red. Now, if you want to add some indicators, go to indicator here, click on it, and you can choose the type of indicator you want. So let's say I want to add moving average. All you have to do is type moving average, for example, this one. This is our moving average. If you want to change it, for example, to the 20 moving average, so all you have to do is go to it here, click on these three dots, click on settings, and go to input. We have here length, change it, for example, to 20. So this will be the 20 moving average. Now we have here smooth line. You can change it, for example, to OMA, WMA, or SMA. Okay, you can choose the one you want. So for me, I will keep it on SMA. SMA stands for simple moving average. Okay. Now, if you want to change the color and the thickness of this moving average, go to style. We have here the color. You can change it, for example, to yellow, and you can change the thickness from here. After that, click on OK. As you can see, this is our moving average. If you want to remove this moving average or any indicator, go to it here, click on these three dots, and click on remove. Okay. Now, let's say, for example, you want to add a Fibonacci. This one is the Fibonacci, so click on it. Add your Fibonacci like this, as you can see. If you want to add more levels, click on your Fibonacci and click on settings, and you will see here the Fibonacci levels. You can add them. For example, you can click on it here, and you can type the Fibonacci level you want to add. So let's say I want to add 0.25. So all you have to do is select this one and type 0.25. and click on OK. As you can see, this is our new level. If you want to remove a level, let's remove the same level. Let's add the Fibonacci again. This is that level. Click on settings, and all you have to do is uncheck it like this. If you want to change its color, click on color here and choose another color from here. After that, click on OK. So this is for the Fibonacci. If you want to add some text, click on text here. Type whatever you want, and you can add everything, as you can see. Now, if you want to remove it, click on it and click on delete. Now, let's say, for example, you want to buy or sell. So to buy, click on buy here. We have here market order. So you will buy on this price here, the current price, and we have the pending orders. So this is the limit order. Okay. Now let's choose, for example, a market order. So we have here the volume, how many lots you want. So let's say, for example, one lot. You can choose whatever you want. We have here the take profit. You have to add your take profit. So my take profit will be above because I want to buy. So let's say my take profit will be here. And my stop loss, for example, will be here. If you want to buy, your stop loss will be lower and your take profit will be in the top. Okay. So let's click on confirm buy lot. And now go to open here and you will see your position. As you can see, this is your symbol. This is the type buy. We have here the volume, how many lots. We have here the open price, current price. This is your take profit. your stop loss, position, open time, and this is your PNL. So as you can see now, I'm making $20. If you want to close this position, all you have to do is click on it here. If you want to modify your stop loss or take profit, click on it like this. And now you can drag it to whatever you want. So I will make it, for example, here, and my stop loss, I will make it, for example, here, and click on modify. Okay, now let's close this position, and let's say you want to add a limit order. So click on buy or sell, it's the same thing. Volume, I will keep it on one lot. You can choose how many lots you want, and I will go to pending. Now I will drag it, for example, to here. When the price hit this point, I will buy. Now my take profit, click on it, will be, for example, let's say here, just for example, and my stop loss, click on it, will be, for example, here. For you, you have to do your analytics. Just for me, this is just a video. After that, click on confirm buy limit. And if we go to pending here, this is your limit order. As you can see, this is your take profit, this is your stop loss, and this is the opening price. Okay, this price. If you want to change the take profit, again, click on it and drag it to whatever you want. The same thing with stop loss, and click on modify. If you want to take a screenshot, click on this camera here, and you have download image, for example, here, and you can choose the place where you want to save it. And we have copy image. You can click on it and you can add it wherever you want. Also, we have here the time zone. You can change it if you want. Just click on it and choose the time zone you want. So, for example, New York. Some people want to use the New York time zone. You can just click on it like this. Also, if you want to change the color of these candles, all you have to do is right click, click on settings, then go to symbol, and you will see here body, borders, and wick. So this is for the bullish candles, and this is for the bearish candles. So click on it. I will change it, for example, to green, 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 and let's click on OK. As you can see, the color of the candles has been changed. The same thing with the bearish candles. I will change this one, for example, to, let's say, yellow, yellow, and yellow. Click on OK, as you can see. And that's it. This is how you can use Exness trading platform. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and see you on the next one.